we have here addition and subtraction algebraic fractions. How we do this? To do this, we need to have the same denominator. We have 3a minus 6, 6a, and 2a plus 4. First, what I can do here, I can factorize 3 from the first denominator. I can factorize 2 from the third denominator. So let me rewrite this. It will be 1 over 3 times a minus 2 plus 1 over 6a minus, we have 2. We will factorize 2, so it will be a plus 2. So this is equal. We have 2 and 2. We have multiplication, so we can reduce this 2. So we can rewrite one more time. We have 1 over 3 times a minus 2 plus 1 over 6a minus, of course, when I divide 2 by 2 is 1 and 1, so 1 will be in numerator, and 1 times a plus 2 is a plus 2. Now we need to find the least common denominator for these three algebraic fractions. So we start, because we have here number 3 and 6, so first we have to find the least common denominator for 3 and 6 is 6, so we have to put 6. Next, what we have? We have variable a only, so we need to put a. Next, we start from the left side. We have a minus 2, so we have to put this a minus 2, and we have a plus 2. So let's start now. We're looking to the first algebraic fraction. We have 3 here only, and now we have 6. So we need to multiply 3 times 2 to get 6. Next, we have a. We don't have here a, so I have to multiply by a this denominator. What else? We have a minus 2, so it's correct. And we have a plus 2. So we need to multiply this denominator by a plus 2 also. So I will put this here. So wherever I put in the denominator, I have to do the same in the numerator. So we have to put 1 times 2a and times a plus 2. I cannot change only the denominator. When I change the denominator, I have to do the same operation for numerator. So now, let's check our denominator. We have 6a, 3 times 2a, 6a. We have a minus 2, a plus 2, a plus 2. So the denominator is correct. Now we have to do multiplication in the numerator. 1 times 2a is 2a. 2a times a plus 2 we have to multiply. So it will be 2a times a is 2a squared. 2a times 2 is plus 4a. We have to copy the sign. We have plus. And we have the denominator must be 6a times a minus 2 times a plus 2. In this denominator we have only 6a, this first expression. So we need to multiply this denominator by a minus 2 and a plus 2, and the same we have to do with the numerator. A minus 2 times a plus 2. So now in the numerator we have a minus 2 times a minus 2 times 1. So when multiplying times 1 it doesn't change anything. So we need to multiply only a minus 2 times a minus plus 2. So a times a is a squared. A times 2 is 2a. Negative 2 times a is negative 2a, and 2 times 2 is 4. Of course, if you see, you can use here formula, because we have here difference of two perfect squares. We can use this formula because we see that 2a and 2a we can reduce, so we have just a squared plus, of course, negative 2 times positive 2 give me negative 4. So we have a squared minus 4. And we have to copy the sign, negative. The numerator we have to have the same, so we have to have 6a times a minus 2 times a plus 2. And now we have to check the last denominator. We have a plus 2 only, so we have to multiply this denominator by 6a and a minus 2. The same I have to do with numerator. I have to multiply by 6a and a minus 2. So now we will have 1 times 6a is 6a, and 6a times a is 6a squared. 6a times negative 2 is negative 12a. So now when we have the same denominator, we copy the numerator. We have 6a times a minus 2 times a plus 2, and we have now to start from the left side. First we have to add these two numerators, and next we have to subtract at numerator. So we have 2a squared plus 4a plus a squared, and we have minus 4. And now we have negative sign before this whole expression, so we need to put this in parentheses, so minus 12a. So this is equal, the denominator we have to copy. And now we can combine the like terms. 2a squared plus a squared is 3a squared, and we have plus 4a minus 4, and now negative sign and positive, so it will be negative 6a squared. Negative and negative give me positive 12a. Now again we have to combine the like terms in the numerator. Denominator we have to copy. 3a squared minus 6a squared, so this is negative 3a squared. 4a and 12a is this 16a, and we have negative 4. Now we have here difference of two perfect square formula, so we can rewrite denominator 6a squared minus 4, and numerator is negative 3a squared plus 16a minus 4. This is my solution.